Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student channel and thank you very much for watching everyone. Today's video is going to be on how to aim when spin-induced throw comes into play, both inside and outside spin. I'm going to show you a drill that's going to help you train your mind to understand the aim point so that you can compensate for both inside and outside spin. So let's go ahead and shoot these 3 shots in real quick. I'm going to shoot outside low right. I want to get an angle on this 8. I'm going to play inside top left for this. The aim is totally different than if I hit low right like I just did. I want to come into this. I don't like coming across the line, but I got the speed just right and I can easily pocket this 9. So now let's get into this tutorial. I think you're going to really like it. It's going to help your game. For this exercise, we start out by marking the location for this yellow ball, for the cue ball, and then also notice that I put a tee out there as an aim point. Next, let's line up on the golf tee and hit 2 very different shots. The first one here is with inside spin, and the second one is going to be with outside spin. Now watch how this yellow ball acts when it gets to the corner pocket. The reason it did that is because we threw the yellow ball away from the pocket due to spin-induced throw. Once again, here's inside spin versus outside spin. By setting up a duplicate shot and then aiming at a specific aim point, like with the golf tee, we can then compare apples to apples so that we can make the adjustment. So at this point, then I'd like you to shoot from both sides of the table. Notice here that I've marked both sides with paper reinforcements, and I simply shoot from one side to the other, both with inside and outside spin. As you do this, your mind will start to become acclimated to the aim point, thus very quickly allowing you to adjust per each shot. I want to also point out that an outside spin shot will appear as an overcut, where an inside spin shot will appear to be an undercut. Knowing this, we will have to make the adjustment. For instance, when you're using outside spin, you're going to aim your object ball short of the pocket. Do not overcut it. If anything, undercut it so that the spin-induced throw makes it go into the pocket. One of the biggest factors when predicting spin-induced throw is the cleanliness of the balls. For instance, the other night I played at a local hangout and we shot with balls that looked like they were super dull, had no shine. If anything, they were kind of scuffed up. Well, the reason it's difficult to adjust for spin-induced throw with these type balls is they're so clingy. They have a stickiness about them so that the spin from the cue ball transfers very well to the object ball, thus magnifying spin-induced throw. As you perform this exercise, be sure to try to match up your speed with each shot. In other words, try to be consistent with your speed control. You will soon begin to understand that speed and spin are tied together and will affect throw. One more highlight on this exercise. Try to maneuver your cue ball to a specific point with each shot. If you undercut or overcut the shot, it's going to affect the cue ball's travel, so try to make sure that you pocket it in the center of the pocket as much as you can, and then look at the travel of your cue ball. I'm sure this exercise will be of help to many players that struggle with understanding spin-induced throw. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.